Okay, so looking at this curve, we can determine that its period is going to be pi over 3, right? Because in each 180-degree region, we've got 3 cycles, or 3 periods of this graph. So that would be a period of pi over 3, which is another way of saying 60 degrees. 60, 120, 180. Or if we start from 0, 60, 120, and 180. So the period is here is equal to 60 degrees. And we can remember our formula. Period is 60 degrees. And we know also that the period is equal to pi, which is 180, over b. So in other words, 60 equals 180 over b. So we can solve for b. Okay. Cross multiplying, remembering that this is 60 over 1, gives us 60b equals 180, or b equals 3. Okay, so far we've got part of our formula. Okay, we've got y equals tangent of 3x, b is 3, plus a constant c. Well, that constant is going to relate to the x-intercept. Let's take a look at where the x-intercepts are in this graph. Well, the x-intercept is at 0, 60, 120, 180. Notice that 0 and 180 are x-intercepts for just tan of x. So there, if we added any kind of shift to this, we would actually be shifting off of the correct locations. So we don't need any horizontal shift here. We actually already are aligned with the zeros. But there are extra zeros, you'll say. There's a 0 at 60, there's a 0 at 120. Well, those we hit because of the 3 in front of the x. So the answer to this is just that y equals tangent of 3x. So let's calculate some of these zeros. 60 degrees is a 0. Y equals the tangent of 3x. Y equals the tangent of 3 times 60. Y equals the tangent of 180 degrees. Well, we already know the tangent of 180 degrees is 0. So this formula correctly gives us a 0 at 60. You should check out to ensure that it actually gives us correct zeros at every single 0 that occurs here. So the correct formula, we don't need a phase shift for this graph, is y equals tangent of 3x. Why not go through some of the other incorrect answers and try to figure out what formulas are the corresponding formulas for those graphs as well.